Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a location on your Facebook post. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos on your phone. First open up your Facebook app, and after that let's post something on Facebook. To post something on Facebook, let's tap on the what's on your mind over here. Let's tap there, and after that let's post a video or a picture. Let's post a picture first, and let's post a picture of my goat over here, the goat picture which I like. And now to add a location to your post, you can see the location icon, which is the white dot covered with the red, just aside the emojis icon over here. Let's tap there, and this is the location icon. Now to set a location or to put a location on your post, tap on the airplane icon on the top right corner of your screen, and after that it will search and suggest you the locations which you are in. Now to add a location, tap on your location, and you can see my name is connected with an address which is Lalitpur, Nepal. And now let's say something beauty and beast. And now to post it, you can see the post icon over here on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and let's finish, and let's let the Facebook finish posting. And now you can see it has been posted, and you can see my address has been added as well. It's in Lalitpur, Nepal. You can see the Sudain Shrestha is in Lalitpur, Nepal address over here. And there guys, this is how you add address to your post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.